requirements and tutors. So we're gonna start with activity. That's number 7. So the first step is reading. So we're gonna start. When you were born, you were not able to communicate with the others around you by using language. But by the time you were 5 or 6, you were able to produce sentences, make jokes, ask questions, and so on. In short, you had become a fluent native speaker during those first years of your life. You accumulate acquiring knowledge about at least one language, probably very little accounts before you study a foreign language later on. It's like that. You discover that it was not nearly as easy. So the step number 2, the minimal verb. Sit, desk, this, wet, wait, but, so, not, but, bed, fast, first. This, very, bad, pie, limb, light, right, catch, cut, see, she, fun, bun, fat, hot, free, sing, link, with, beige, back, fast, game, to, do, back, and, hat. Number 3, intonation. I know, we love, it's that. Anna works, time flies, Lena is my daughter. Billy doesn't live here. Lena was invited. Bus are not yours. She wants to wear a new car. He brought him the letters very quickly. The teacher told her student a story. Maria wants to buy a new car. My friends play tennis every Saturday. I think the first question is very easy. What is his name? Where does he live? What did you call him? Where have you been? Where are you reading? What's your birthday? Do you visit them often? You have seen my case. Are you ready to start? Could you give me a pen, please? Could you open the window, please? Will you mind helping me? Do you want coffee or tea? Does he speak English or German? Will you like coffee or tea? It's beautiful town, isn't it? She knows him, doesn't she? Nice weather, isn't it? Stop it. Sit down. Close your books. Tell me the truth. Come in, please. Come here, please. Sit down, please. What a wonderful present. How beautiful her voice is. That is life. Pierre, can you help me? Mr. Smith is a merry-round. Ella, can you help me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She bought bread, cheese, orange, and apples. I saw Tom, Mary, Anna, and Victor. Certainly, of course, you're welcome. This is all. Thank you for watching.